Want to unlock your Android safely? Today, we'll review Techeligible FRP Bypass, covering success rate, risks, and compatibility so you know if it's right for you. Section 1. What is Techeligible FRP Bypass? Section 2. How to use Techeligible FRP Bypass. Visit Techeligible, select your phone brand model. Download the recommended FRP bypass tools. Follow the step-by-step guide for your device. Run the tool to remove the FRP lock, restart, and set up a new Google account. Section 3. What if Techeligible FRP Bypass doesn't work? Why it may fail. New Android security patches block old methods. Not all devices or versions are supported. Steps are complex. Missing one can cause failure. Tools are unofficial and inconsistent. What to do instead? Try a guide specific to your device and Android version. Use professional FRP unlocking software for better success. Check Android version compatibility. Only download tools from trusted sources. Section 4. FAQs for Techeligible FRP Bypass. Free? Yes. Safe? Depends. Third-party risks. Root needed? Usually no. Beginner-friendly? Tricky? Device-dependent. Latest Android? Not always. Tools? APKs, PC utilities. Data lost? Usually post-reset. Section 5. Pros and cons of Techeligible FRP Bypass. Pros. Free. Supports many Android brands. Multiple methods. Step-by-step. No root. Cons. Low success on new Android. Complex. Varies by device or firmware. Some malware risk. No support. Section 6. Best alternative to FRP Bypass. Techeligible. Android Lock Wiper is a professional Android unlock tool designed to remove screen locks and Google FRP locks without requiring technical steps. User manual: how to bypass Google FRP lock with the best Techeligible alternative. Android Lock Wiper. Begin the procedure by downloading and installing the software on your computer. After the installation is finished, select the option titled Remove Google Lock FRP and choose Advanced Mode. Connect your Android smartphone to the computer using a USB cable, and then click the Start button to initiate the process of removing the Google lock. Follow the prompts to input your device information and click Next. Adhere to the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode on your device. On the next screen, select the correct PDA, country, and carrier, and then click Download to retrieve the necessary data package. Click Start to extract and follow prompts to enter download mode. Enable USB debugging and extract firmware. The software will unlock the device, letting you access it without Google verification.